Hi everyone. Today's recipe is an authentic Marathi recipe, Masoor Khichadi. This is a very simple preparation yet so amazingly flavorful. Let's see how it's made. Come on. First, we will have to make a masala paste for this recipe. Saute the onions until golden and then add the dried coconut. Once that's golden, add the garlic and cook slightly. This masala is very versatile masala and can be used for many veg and non-veg dishes. You can make this masala paste in large quantities and store it in the refrigerator and use it for a variety of veg and non-veg dishes. We will allow this to cool a bit and then blend to a smooth paste with little water. Let's make the rice. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Saute the onions until translucent and then add the masala paste for it to cook. I have previously shown how to sprout the masoor in my earlier video, Masoor amti. Take a look and sprout accordingly. We will flavor this with some everyday spices and then mix. Now the quantity of red chili powder depends on how spicy you like. Click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. This is washed basmati rice and we will just mix it very lightly not to break the grains. Thick coconut milk will give a nice rich flavor to the dish. Always use hot water. A generous amount of ghee for the lovely flavor and aroma. Allow to boil and we will cook this on medium-low flame until the masoor cooks. Wow, this looks so good and the aroma has filled the kitchen. You can check by pressing it between the fingers. You can garnish with coriander leaves and fresh grated coconut and serve with papad and pickle. Hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next week. Bye.